Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy birthday if today is your birthday. Hope that you're all having a fantastic Friday. I know I am. I am currently on my way to Hawaii while you're watching this. So that's pretty awesome. I'm gonna be doing a couple videos while I'm in Hawaii, so keep an eye out for that. But in the meantime, if you guys want to like keep up with what I'm up to, go follow me on Instagram. Shameless self-plug. Today though, we are doing another What I Eat in a Week. This time we are doing lunch edition since last time we did dinner. If you guys don't know, lunch is actually my favorite meal. Not necessarily eating at home, which is what we're seeing in this video, but I love going out for lunch. It's like one of my favorite things to do. But anyway, lunch foods, sandwiches, salads, just yummy little meals I just love. So if you are excited, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, click subscribe if you're new here, and let's get into it. Monday lunch, ladies and gentlemen, and we are making a new summer salad. Found this recipe on TikTok. I'm going to be switching things up, of course, as always, but I'm so excited for this one. So I pulled out all of the ingredients here, and let me just show you what you're gonna need. So here are the ingredients for the dressing. You're going to need olive oil, salt, pepper, chili powder, and then I'm between either using hot honey or just some syrup. It says maple syrup or agave, but you know, I'm just using what I have on hand as always. And then for the actual contents of the salad, we are doing chickpeas, cucumber, jalapeno, avocado, a peach, and some arugula. And who knows, maybe I'll throw some tomatoes in there too, because that sounds great. So let's just start by getting all of our chopping out of the way. Alrighty, we have everything chopped up now, called an audible, and added some white onion into this as well. I thought that would be yummy. Skipping the tomatoes though. And now that we have this all chopped, let's make our dressing. Okay, we are starting with a nice glug of olive oil. This is a really nice one from the farmer's market that I love. Next up, lemon juice. I totally forgot to mention this when we were going through ingredients, but here we are. Of course, the truck is making a ton of noise outside while I'm trying to do this. What else would we expect? Okay, we're gonna get some salt in there, some pepper, and you know what? I think I am going to go with the hot honey for this. And then I think I'll just add a tiny bit of chili powder in there. Let's try a taste. Ooh, that is really good. Perfect amount of heat, especially since there's jalapenos in the salad. Wow, obsessed with that salad dressing. Now we just need to put it all together. I'm going to start with a base of arugula. It doesn't really call for a green other than basil in this salad, but I just thought this would be yummy to help bulk it up, and arugula is the perfect summer green. Throwing chickpeas in there. I think I'm gonna use about half of the can. Our cucumbers, our peaches, our white onion, and our jalapeno go in. Next up, I'm going to add in our dressing, give it another little mix, and pour on top. This is the perfect, like, sweet heat dressing, I'm telling you. And I'm gonna give it a mix now. Last things last, some avocado. I'm just going to dice it up right inside of its shell. I like to add this last because if I mix it with the dressing, I just find that it sort of falls apart. And I want like chunks of avocado in there. Okay, skip that out. And just like that, our salad is complete. Let's try this salad, shall we? I am very excited about this dressing that I made. I think it's going to become a regular on the agenda. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Happy Tuesday, everyone. It is lunchtime and I am here to show you what I'm going to make. I'm gonna make one of my favorite lunches, which is a little salad wrap. It's so good. I use the spicy corn patties. You guys have definitely seen me make this before, but I'm gonna walk you through how I do it. Here's everything that I am using to make my lunch. Obviously tortillas, which I haven't pulled out yet. These are the corn meatless patties. I didn't realize the last time I got them that I didn't get the spicy ones, I guess, but that's okay. I've never tried the normal ones before, so this will be good to try. I'm sure they'll still be delicious. I'm obsessed with these. They're so, so good. And then it's just whatever lettuce you want. I have arugula, whatever toppings you want. I have tomato, bell pepper, onion, cucumber, and avocado, and then dressing and croutons. And that's just super easy. So we're gonna start by cooking our corn patties here. I just make these in the toaster oven and I cook them for about 17-ish minutes usually. 10 minutes on the first side, and then I flip and cook them for like 5 to 7 minutes on the other side, or just until they look nice and brown and crispy. Gotta give this guy a flip. Can I do this one-handed? Oh shit, no. Okay, I have my patty out here now. It's looking really good, nice and crispy. I'm gonna cut into it, and I just do slices. Oh, look at that. Tell me that, how is that not chicken? I feel like I need to like double check the box because it looks so much like chicken.
You've just been eating chicken the whole time?
No, it's meatless. It says meatless. It just looks so much like chicken. I don't even understand it, but whatever. I don't ask questions. I just eat and enjoy. We have everything ready to go, and now it's time to assemble. So I'm just using these spinach wraps, sort of my go-to when I'm making this. Next up, I do a drizzle of sriracha ranch on the bottom. Lettuce comes next. I'm gonna grab a little bit more. Next up, our corn patty goes on. And now all the toppings go on. So I'm gonna do cucumber, a couple little pieces for me, bell pepper, onion, tomato, and then I just slice in some avocado right on top. Now you guys know I am all about making my own dressings this year, but when it comes to this meal, the only dressing I want is an Olive Garden dressing. It is so good. Carefully add a little drizzle of this right on top. Sriracha. And a couple of croutons just to finish us out. And that's it. That's the wrap. Shall we try this? Also, I brought the extra cucumbers over here to snack on. Just gonna wrap it up the best I can. The not spicy corn patty is still really good. I still like the spicy better, but it tastes really yummy. Such a good lunch. Quick, easy, delicious. Happy Wednesday, friends. It is lunchtime, and I am actually very hungry today for some reason. I don't know why, but I've been hungry for like an hour, so we're eating lunch sort of early-ish for me, 12:10. I usually eat around like 1:30, so early enough. And today we are going to make just a salad, sort of like one of my classic go-to salads. Arugula, lots of veggies, a grain. It's gonna be really good. I'm excited. So here's what I pulled out of the fridge for this salad. Veggie-wise, we have cucumber, tomato, red onion, bell pepper. I also have half a can of chickpeas left over, arugula for our base, as well as some brown rice. Quinoa is honestly preferred for salads for me, but I'm just so hungry that I don't want to wait for it to cook, to be honest, so we're sticking with the brown rice. We'll top with some feta, and I was also really craving some salami today, so I think we'll cut up some salami to go in there. And now we get to cutting. Okay, we have everything chopped up here now, and now I'm going to throw our rice in. I always forget how long. Only 60 seconds, so we're gonna throw that in the microwave now. Now dressing. I don't have my usual little bowls that I make my salad dressing in, so I'm just gonna make it right at the bottom of the bowl that we are going to eat our salad out of, and then we can just mix it all together. I feel like that will be totally fine. Alrighty, let's do this thing. We're gonna start off with olive oil. I'm gonna put a good glug of that just on the bottom. Next up, some apple cider vinegar goes in. Gonna add some Dijon mustard, my favorite ingredient to go inside of salad dressings. This is a new one, so let's see. Yeah, it has a little. All right, Dijon mustard. I'm gonna do a little bit of hot honey because that was really yummy in that other salad dressing that we made. Just a little, not too much, because I don't want that to be like too heavy on this dressing that we're making. Garlic, that much. And last up, salt and pepper. And now we mix. Just a really simple dressing in there, and now we can go ahead and assemble our bowl. I am just realizing right now that I forgot tomatoes, but you know what? This salad is looking delicious as is, so we're just gonna skip them for this one. Let's eat, you guys. I'm excited. I never look cute eating when I'm filming stuff like this. Salad is so good though. I haven't put salami in my salads for a little while, and it is not disappointing. I haven't put salami in my salads in a while, and it is not letting me down. Very delicious. Welcome back, friends. It is Thursday, and we are here to make some lunch. Things are a little messy from yesterday still, but that's okay. We are just making a super quick and easy meal. I've actually made this on a vlog before, but it is a delicious go-to and I'm really craving it today, so we are going to be making an egg roll in a bowl. So good. I'm very excited for this. By the way, I will probably be in these sweatpants every single day of this vlog. You know, when you get new sweatpants and you just have to wear them every day, they're like your fixation sweatpants. These are them, so. I've done my best to switch up my top. I don't even know if I've done a good job with that either. Also, my hair is crazy because I worked out like half hour ago. So all of this to say, I am who I am, and let's go ahead and get into making our meal. Alrighty, here is what we are going to be using. We're going to need some ground meat. This is vegan ground beef that I have left over. You can use whatever you want. Onion, some green onion, shredded carrots, and I use just like a coleslaw mix. If you want to, you can cut up cabbage and do it all separate. I just sort of do it the easy and lazy way like this. I'm also going to be using like soy sauce and sesame oil, but that's pretty much it. So I'm going to start by chopping up my green onion and my yellow onion, and then we'll get to cooking. Alrighty, chopping complete, takes like 2 seconds, and let's get to cooking. Pulling out a nice big pan here. This is my Caraway cookware. I'm going to have a link and a discount for you down below. My favorite cookware of all time, by far the best cookware I've ever tried. It is an investment, but I mean, listen, I have not had this for years and years, so I can't speak to that, but my understanding is that these will last for years and years. Now, if you are cooking, if you are cooking your ground meat, that's what you're going to start with. Since mine's already cooked, I'm going to throw in my onions and my ground meat at the same time. So, onion going in there, a little bit of ground meat that I have left going in, and then I'm going to heat that up with a little bit of sesame oil. You don't have to use sesame oil, you can use whatever oil you have on hand, but sesame oil is what I like to use for this. And basically what we're doing here is just letting the onions start to become a little translucent, let the ground beef heat up. That's the whole thing right now. I have like barely any ground meat, so it looks sort of sad in there, but that's okay. We're gonna get lots of other good ingredients in there very shortly. Okay, I am seeing those onions start to change color. So next up, I'm going to put in some shredded carrot. I'm not gonna do a ton just because there is some shredded carrot in my coleslaw mixture, but you know, always good to have a little bit of extra carrot in there. And along with that, I'm going to put in some garlic. Nice little chunk of that. And I also have some ginger paste here, which I'm gonna add in. I'm gonna let all of this cook in with those flavors. And I'm just gonna let this cook for about 2 minutes, let the carrots start to soften up a little bit. And I think I'm gonna add just another splash of sesame oil to help those have just something to ruminate in. You guys know the drill. This is looking good. So next up, we're going to throw in our coleslaw. This is usually when I would throw in some broth as well, but I don't have any broth on hand, so we're just using water. All good, it's just really to help it steam. Obviously the broth also gives it a little bit of extra flavor, but no big deal. I'm just gonna throw in a good amount because this is going to like break down and get pretty small. So don't be afraid to use a good amount of this. That's all good. Water going in and lid going on, and that's just gonna help everything steam in there. By the way, that was about half a cup of water. Now we're just gonna let it chill out and do its thing. The water is almost completely dissolved, so this is when I'm going to throw in some soy sauce, just for a little bit more flavor. Soy goes in, but this meal is pretty much done. It takes no time. Really, like, the most annoying part is that you're dirtying a pot, or a pan rather, so you have to do dishes after lunch, which is never convenient in the middle of the day, but not a big deal. This looks so good though. Oh my gosh, I haven't had this in a second. I was really craving it. It's gonna be really good. Let's have a bite of our delicious egg roll in a bowl. It is so hot. I don't know if you guys can see all that steam coming off of it, but it is toasty. This totally holds up in the fridge too, so you can make a big batch of it for the week, be able to just dive into it whenever you want it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. A nice grain-free meal as well. Not that I care about that at all. I'm all for eating as many carbs as you want, but always nice to get a nice meal in there that is not carby. And I honestly don't feel like I'm missing anything. Like, I don't feel like, I wish this was like over rice or something. I think it'd be yummy over rice, but not needed. Happy Friday, friends. I told you I'd wear the sweatpants every single day of this video. I think I've worn this shirt in this video as well, so outfit repeater, Liz McGuire. No one's surprised. But it is Friday and I am a little hungover today. We went out to KBBQ last night and the soju was flowing. But it works out because I have a very, very easy lunch planned for today, which is just heating up some leftover yellow curry I have in the fridge. Gotta love leftovers. No, I got curry on my pants.
Oh.
How good does this look? I'm so excited. Connor and I are both working from the couch today because we were not feeling 100. So, hence my laptop being here. But let's have a bite of this. This is so good. It's vegan. It's from a place called Vegan Thai Kitchen. It's really good. And has a good amount of spice to it as well, which I'm a big fan of. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. I love yellow curry. So good. And there you have it. That is a Monday through Friday of lunches. I hope this gave you some ideas for some new things that you can incorporate into your lunches. Switch it up a little bit, get something new going. If you'd like to see more of this kind of video, definitely let me know down in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next one. Have an amazing weekend.